Every cigarette, cigar, or chew of tobacco begins its journey here, in the soil. The journey of the tobacco plant is long, labor-intensive, and deeply rooted in tradition. Tobacco seeds are tiny, no bigger than a grain of sand. They are sown in seedbeds and carefully nurtured until they are ready to be transplanted into the field. Tobacco grows over 3–4 months. Farmers carefully monitor the leaves for color and size. When mature, leaves are hand-picked from bottom to top in phases. After harvest, the leaves are cured, a process that removes moisture and develops flavor.
From here, heat is applied to cook the tobacco leaves, the heat of which is passed inside through the pipe.
In furnace curing, the leaves are exposed to controlled heat to turn yellow and golden.
This is the central pipe from where heat is provided. The door of this furnace is opened repeatedly, and it is checked whether the leaves are cooked or not.
Once cured, the tobacco leaves are golden and brittle. This is the pipe from which the heat of the fire reaches these leaves.
First, these leaves are hung on this wood in this way, and then it is hung between the two beans at the top.
These leaves start to be attached from the top and gradually move downwards. When these leaves are ripe, they are then removed in this manner. But the journey is not over. Now begins grating, fermentation, and storage. Tobacco farming provides livelihood to thousands of families, but it also raises environmental and health concerns. The leaf, before it becomes smoke, is already part of a larger debate. From seed to smoke, every tobacco leaf carries a story of labor, fire, and transformation, a reminder that even the smallest leaf holds great power.